need the opportunity to go into a house, take measurements, take square footage, check what we need to fix and repair. I put it into our system, and it gives me a estimate of what that house is gonna take to repair. Okay, so I don't have to know construction, right? I've learned a lot of things from the years and from my own experiences and some deals that I've done. But the tools that we have are gonna accelerate that process 100%, because all you gotta do is take measurements, plug it into the system, and Jason's gonna be updating that system all the time, so that way we have the accurate pricings for things that are needed to be fixed in the house. Okay, so when I just walk, I do an outline, measurements, this needs to be fixed, we get an estimate. It takes me about an hour to give the homeowner an offer on the property. Okay, to put all the whole package together. Most people, it takes them a whole day, maybe 2 days. That's a whole lot of time. It used to take me a long time to put all that stuff together, right? A long time, and that's time that I can be spending with my wife, kids, you know, doing the things that I want to do, or working more on the business and doing all that kind of stuff. So when we get the house, we make the offer, they accept, we go into the house, and then I bring Jason into the house once we're on the contract. See, we streamline the process, because I don't want to bring in Jason into our property that, number one, we're not sure we're even gonna get it. We don't have a contract. He's gonna come into the house, it's gonna take him about half an hour to get here, half an hour to get back to where he has to go. We're gonna spend an hour and a half in the house, so that's 2-3 hours out of his day, out of my day, that's gone just on evaluating a house. In the beginning, you might have to do that. Right now, time is money, we don't like to do that, right? Everything that we try to do is we try to lower the time that it takes us to do the things that we need. Again, we're in a volume business now, that's what we're trying to scale to. So when we get an offer, he comes to the house. I mean, obviously we have some conversations during the time, like, hey, Jason, what do you think about this and that? But he'll come, look through the estimate, look through the house, and we come up with a game plan. Jason, when you come on up, and you're already up. Get a little closer, man. Right? So, and kind of tell them about what we did with this house, and how we came up with the numbers. Everybody give Jason a big hand.
Alright guys, well welcome, thanks for coming by. It's always great to have everybody come and look at what we're doing and potentially be part of the team. We're always looking for new people that can help us out and be part of the team. So on this particular property, when we came in here, the layout here in the kitchen was completely different. The kitchen was on that side of the property. Actually, it was a little tiny kitchen. Right here in the middle where the island is right now, there was a chimney, and the kitchen was literally enclosed over there. So I like to go into a property and redesign it in my mind. So I walked in here and I was like, this is not going to sell right here. This is not easy going. It doesn't feel right. So that was the first thing that I saw coming into the property. The basement was pretty nasty. There was a lot of old stuff in the basement. There was water damage in the basement as well. There was a lot of mold. So there was certain things that we saw when we walked into the property for the first time that you automatically know that have to be done. Then you start evaluating based on the cost, the money that you're going to put into the property versus what's going to make the property the most money when you go and sell it. What are some of the selling points that you see on properties? What would you consider going into a property when you're looking at it to buy it as a retail customer? What do you mostly look at?
Kitchen and bathrooms, kitchen.
There's some of those major points. If I go and have a beautiful back garden, it's not going to sell as much as a beautiful kitchen. So those are things that we come in and we have to evaluate when we're coming into the property. So those are some of the things that we're like, okay, there's more money that we have to allocate to certain parts of the property versus maybe doing something else in the property. So that's when you start weighing out on where you put the money into the property and how you allocate the funds on what you're gonna